How to set stop loss on Charles Schwab app. Now, if you're going to be doing this method via their official site using your laptop or PC, or even if using your mobile device via the app given on the title, the actual process is still the same. So just simply open up your Charles Schwab application and just make sure that you're logged in using your login ID and as well as your password. Now to do setting up a stop loss is very easy. All you have to do first is just hit on trade and then just choose on all-in-one trade ticket. Choose your stock and then select sell. Now afterwards you just have to enter how much shares you want to sell, and then to stop the stop loss on Charles Schwab, all I have to do is just to change the order type. You will now then choose the order limit and set stop price and then the limit price as well. Now review everything and then just simply hit on place order. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can set up a stop loss on Charles Schwab app.